everyone, my name is Maurenta Bunga Novia Siregar with ID number 210705018. I'm from University of North Sumatra, majoring English Literature. On this video, I'm gonna talk about neurolinguistics as my linguistic assignment. The study of the relationship between brain and language is called neurolinguistics. Neurolinguistics studies the relation of language and communications to different aspects of brain functions. In other words, it tries to explore how the brain can understand and produces language and communications. This involves attempting to combine neurophysiological and neurological theory is about how the brain is structured and how it functions, and linguistic theory is about how the language is structured and how it functions. Human brain consists of three parts are known as forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Hindbrain is the lowest part that located at the base of skull. It has two important structures, medulla and cerebrum. The smallest part of brain is midbrain. It functions for receiving the sensory signal from sense organs such as eyes and ears. And the most vital part of human brain is the forebrain. This area consists of three important structures, thalamus, cerebral, and corpus callosum. Human brain has two different hemispheres, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Both of the hemispheres have the different functions. Right hemisphere involves music, fantasy, literature, intuition, and painting. This hemisphere is able to use the language by giving the intonations, stretching the utter tones, using gesture, hand movement, and facial expression. Left hemisphere manages the processes such as language, logic, mathematics, and understanding the pleasant experiences. The linguistic especially is located at the left hemisphere. This hemisphere functions in monitoring the grammar ability, naming object, repeating something, reading, and writing. Broca's area is involved in the ordering of phonemes in the words and the assembly of words in the form of the sentences, while Wernicke's area is responsible for processing sounds, listen, and related to speech and language that we already know. Different views on the relation between brain and language have existed and still do. They are 1. Location. Tries to find location or centers in the brain for different language functions. 2. Associalism. Associalism situates language functions in the connections between different areas of the brain. 3. Holistic. Consider many language functions to be handled by widespread areas of the brain working together. 4. Dynamic localization of functions. Assume that a function system of localized sub-functions perform language functions. And the last, 5. Evolution-based theory trace of relation between how brain and language evolve over the time in different species. That's all from me about neurolinguistics. Thank you so much and goodbye.